Hello treasures, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Thanks for stopping by. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you how I made this delicious sausage roll and the air fryer bread buns. Let's get started. Here I've got about 10 sausages with 4 cups of all-purpose flour, which we're using for this. I'll go ahead and add the flour into my mixing bowl. I'll then go in with some sugar, yeast, milk powder, and some nutmeg for flavor. I'll leave all the ingredients with their measurements in my description box below. Do check that out. Then I'll go ahead and mix it. After mixing the dry ingredients, I'll then go in with some water and the eggs. I'm using 2 eggs here, but I'm not going to add all. I'll remove like half of it for egg washing later in this video where we're going to egg wash. Then I'll transfer to my stand mixer for kneading, but you can also knead this with your hands. I have several videos where I use my hand to knead. You can check the videos out. You will find the videos in my playlist under bread recipes. Yep. It for about 3 minutes. I'll then go in with some butter. I'm using margarine. The kneading, and we're going to knead this for about 10 minutes. After kneading, I'll sprinkle some oil in the pan. This is just to prevent the dough from sticking to the pan. I'll cover and leave it for about 1 hour or more. This is to enable it to proof and also double in size. And 1 hour later, this is what we have. Our dough has proofed and doubled or tripled in size. I'll just punch it back. Sprinkle some flour on my workspace and place the dough on it. And then knead it for a few seconds just to remove the air and get it ready for our next step, for cutting anyway. For cutting and place it in our sausages. Now I'll place the sausage on the dough and roll it up. At the end, you seal it very well. You can also use water to seal it. Just touch your finger with water and rub it on the dough. That way you can seal the dough very well. And I'll continue it like this until I've placed the sausage in all of them. I'm done with the sausage rolls, so I'll cover it and set it aside for about 12 for our second recipe. I'll be making some bread buns with my air fryer. I'll go ahead, sprinkle a little bit of flour into my air fryer. You can use oil for this, but I just decided to use flour. I'll then roll the dough once more, fold it well as bread buns, and add to the air fryer. Once you have your dough ready, you can use it for different recipes. You can see now we've used this for sausage roll and we're using it for bread buns also. You can also use it for your donut or any type of bread that you want. Any pastry that takes yeast, this is good to go for it. So after rolling it, I'll just put it inside the air fryer and allow it again to rest for about 20 to 30 minutes before we continue with it. And while that one is resting, let's continue with our sausage rolls. Remember the half egg we removed today earlier on, so I'm going to use it now to egg wash our sausage rolls before baking them. I added a tablespoon of milk to the egg, and this will help to give our bread a shiny look, a beautiful golden shiny look. It is also time to bake our bread in the air fryer. 10 minutes later, our air fried bread is ready. It's nearly burnt. I baked this for 10 minutes at 160 degrees Celsius. And after about 35 minutes, our sausage rolls are also baked, deliciously and beautifully baked. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. You can see we got our sausage rolls and the bread buns with one dough. So with one dough, you can make different recipes. And they all came out beautiful, fluffy, delicious, and yummy too. I hope you're going to be making this for yourself and your family. And if you're looking for a business to start, this is a very good business idea. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until I see you again in my next video, remain blessed and safe. I love you all. Bye-bye.